Morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, hello, hello. Today is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. So, the bride and the groom is preparing for the wedding. While we're doing the makeup preparation and everything, I am here. I'm watching the sunrise. So look at it. Look how beautiful the sun rising from the horizon. And look at the different lodges here. Look at the style of this. You see? Ayan. Ganda. Well, here we are. God, I love it here. It's peaceful. You see? Ayan. Look how beautiful the sun is. Wow. Ayan. Ay, malinis, maganda. Meron lang mga basurang konti na kailangan nating linisin. But overall, Camps is a very peaceful place. Tahimik. Tahimik, mabait ang mga tao. Gentle. Alam mo yun? Ayan o. Hi. Good morning. Good morning, Philippines. Good evening, USA. And hello, world. Hi, universe. Ayan, tingnan natin anong meron dito. Who is Emilia? I love Emilia. Ayan. Emilia who? Emilia Clarke? The Daenerys? I don't know. Ayan, they also have billiard place here. But it's currently closed. Ayan, they have billiards. Okay. Ayan. And they have King Kong. The king of the jungle. And here's the banana leaves. Ayan. Kain lang, Gio. Sino nagluto niyan? Masarap. Masarap yan, baby. Ayan.
Ang breakfast sa kapila ating.
Ang bango ni Gio. Ang cute. Oh, ang gwapo. Ay, shush. Kagwapo niyan. Ay, shush. Gio.
Doon natin nagtala si
Sino?
Kuya.
Kuya Ho. Ah, sa sa Gubat National High School, grade 8. Yeah.